we're gonna be doing the Premier League clubs today, and it seems kind of wonky because it's like this, so put a lot of them in the hate section. And yeah, this is a bit wonky because, well, I don't know, it's probably from another season, a very long season ago. Everton does not look like that, and yeah, this is not. I do not know what is happening in this. So we're doing this now, and it seemed like a really long list, but which one should? And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's actually really short today. I'll get that uploading and I'll upload another one. So, goodbye.